I didn't think I'm sure. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be making a red 40 potion with Jay Miller and a school safe name.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
What are the ingredients we got today?
So this is our base.
Blue Taki-ish.
Yeah, blue Taki-ish with sour, spicy, Doritos, spicy, sweet, spicy. Let's do it, guys.
We got all the sorts.
It's sticky. The tip is sticky, girl. Are you mashing up with this, Lincoln? Start talking.
Oh yeah, should we start
Yeah.
mashing and bashing?
Oh, you're so cute. How are you gonna
Mix
do
and
that?
mix.
It's chunky. Mix and
We just gotta down it.
aerial view.
Down the hatch.
Yeah, aerial view.
Sink and dink. You know what I'm saying?
Nerd. Do more?
More?
Lincoln, we need more
Oh,
liquid
wow.
in there. It's not gonna mix at
Oh
all.
shoot, you're right. Add some more liquid then.
No, you need like liquid.
Bro, this is liquid.
You want to start spitting in it?
yeah. Bro, Leah, stop. Alright.
Alright.
It's white chica juice.
We should get some pool water in there.
What's going on? Oh yeah.
That pool water seems pretty
Chlorine.
good
We
right
should
get
now.
Sprite.
Yeah.
Chlorine to make it burn.
We should get Sprite.
Finishing touches.
Guys, finishing
You
touches.
got any seltzer water?
Yeah, do you have any seltzer water that we can use?
We always do.
Yeah, that make it pretty spicy.
We need some of the powder.
No, you need like a pound of sprinkles in there. Yeah.
get the pink stuff.
Oh yeah.
No.
Just a little bit. Just a little
Yeah,
bit.
Is it bubblegum?
We need the glitter.
Is it bubblegum?
Oh yeah, that looks good.
Final look.
A little bit
It's
of
like
blue.
a cosmic brownie.
Okay, it's good.
Right. Guys.
Okay, you gotta mix.
Alright, guys, time to mix.
Oh wow, it does look like
It's
a
like
cosmic
Vincent
brownie.
Van Gogh's Starry Night.
Yeah.
There's gonna be some soggy Takis in there.
You guys need to do like a
didn't smell
milkshake.
it.
Where you,
A
like,
milkshake?
Where we add milk to it?
No.
No,
Where
yeah.
you each have a straw and you like look in each other's eyes.
I might
That'd
actually
be
throw
so
up.
cute.
Like minions. You guys need to
Yeah.
get a picture like that.
Mhm. That's us.
Alright. Does this look right?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna.
It's actually just like.
Wow, that's really cute and
Okay, that's good.
appetizing.
That's good.
This is like actually what Logan's like doing.
Alright. Let's test, guys.
Should we
Why
laugh?
my thing already done? No, that's my straw.
Lord
That's my
have
straw.
mercy. Lord have
I'm not nervous
Alright,
at
guys.
all.
3, 2, 1, go. It's not going through the straw.
It's not that bad. I'm not gonna lie.
Muy bien.
Actually, that's actually pretty good.
Pretty good.
Like, not gonna lie,
Not gonna
that's
lie,
pretty
I
good.
This wakes you up.
Can we just go down the hatch?
Are we gonna
Can
go?
we just slurp?
We're going down on the juice.
Can we slurp and burp?
You have to drink all of
I'm
it.
ready.
It's really good.
Bro, that's so sour.
Hey Jackson,
Jeez.
I'm gonna wash it down for you really quick.
No, that's so
Here,
sour.
let's, wash it down.
Aaliyah,
No. That's my lemon juice for my water.
that's so
Mm.
sour.
Well, I'm just gonna.
Nolan.
Oh no.
That's why we have the lime.
Alright, guys, time to cleanse the palate. Bro, that's actually so sour.
No, it's lime sauce. Get the other one.
Cleanse the palate.
I say that's pretty good. This tastes like an orange now.
Yeah, it does. It's really sweet.
Muy bien. This is like, guys, this is like sprinkles.
You know, in fact, I'm gonna put some sprinkles in mine.
Yeah. Could also get some.
I'm gonna-
10 minutes.
Yeah. So.
Yeah, it's perfect for the ad revenue.
Mmm.
We can make that the thumbnail.
So what do you guys rate the red 40 potion?
I think it's the best thing we've had yet on Taki-ish. I'm not gonna lie.
It's gonna make me go sicko mode.
What was that?
Yeah, it was pretty good.
What do you say?
It's very sour, guys. I'll say it tastes 10 out of 10. And spiciness level, I'll say that's a that's a 10 as well.
Really? A 10?
Okay, watch me shoot this 3 in the clip on.
Like, you're not even sweating right now. That's not a 10.
Yeah. Oh shoot, guys. I meant like guys, this is light work, no reaction.
Light work, no reaction.
Miles, what do you
Light
guys say
work.
about the
1 out of
potion?
10. 1 out of 10.
Done?
Yeah.
Let's do our outro.
Oh.
No, we got to pretend we're in an edit. We have to pretend we're in an edit.
Lincoln!
Thanks for...
Thank you.
What's up, guys? Thanks for coming to our video.
Guys, it's Mugs. Like and subscribe for more YouTube pranks like this. Put it down. No. But hey, Dharma.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I hope you enjoyed this message. But remember, we're not just telling stories, we're changing lives. Like and subscribe to support me. Goodbye.